Welcome back to Smart Gadget Reviews, where I break down gear that actually makes outdoor life better. Today, I'm covering the top 13 best camping chair for adults, perfect for camping, tailgating, beach days, or just relaxing outdoors. I've researched comfort, durability, weight capacity, and real-world usability to help you choose the right chair without wasting money. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's get comfortable and jump right in.
Fundango Comfort Camp Chair. The Fundango Comfort Camp Chair is one of those chairs I instantly appreciate after a long day outdoors. It's designed with plush padding that supports your back, arms, and shoulders without feeling bulky or stiff. I like how the breathable fabric keeps airflow moving, especially during warmer days. The sturdy steel frame feels dependable and easily handles extended sitting sessions. It folds down smoothly, making it simple to store or toss into the car. The wide seat design gives you room to relax without feeling cramped. I also noticed the armrests are positioned perfectly for casual lounging or holding a drink. Whether I'm camping, watching a game, or sitting around a fire, this chair delivers comfort without complications. If you want something reliable, cozy, and easy to use, this chair checks all the right boxes for outdoor relaxation.
Overmont Power Camp Chair. The Overmont Power Camp Chair is built for people who want serious strength and comfort in one solid package. What stands out to me immediately is the reinforced frame that feels incredibly stable, even on uneven ground. The padded seat and backrest provide excellent support, making it great for long evenings outdoors. I like the oversized design because it doesn't restrict movement and feels roomy without being awkward. The fabric is tough, breathable, and easy to clean after a dusty trip. It also folds up quickly and fits into its carry bag without frustration. The armrests are wide and supportive, perfect for relaxing or holding snacks. Whether I'm camping, tailgating, or just enjoying fresh air, this chair feels dependable and comfortable. If durability and comfort are high on your list, this one definitely delivers. GEERTOP Max Comfort Chair. The GEERTOP Max Comfort Chair lives up to its name by offering a balanced mix of support and portability. I really like how the ergonomic design supports my back while still feeling relaxed. The padded seat doesn't sag even after hours of sitting, which is a big plus for longer trips. Its durable frame gives me confidence, especially when moving around or adjusting positions. The breathable fabric helps prevent overheating, making it comfortable in different weather conditions. I also appreciate how lightweight it feels compared to other heavy-duty chairs. Folding and unfolding it is quick and hassle-free, which saves time when setting up camp. The armrests are well positioned for natural comfort. Overall, this chair feels thoughtfully designed for people who want comfort without sacrificing convenience. It's a solid option for campers who value ease and support equally.
Portal Heated Camp Chair. The Portal Heated Camp Chair is a game changer when temperatures drop and comfort becomes a priority. What I love most is the built-in heating system that keeps your back warm during chilly evenings. The padding feels thick and supportive, making it ideal for long sits by the fire. The strong frame provides excellent stability, even on uneven terrain. I also appreciate the easy-to-use controls that let you adjust the heat without hassle. The chair folds smoothly and comes with a carry bag for transport. Its fabric feels durable and weather-resistant, which adds to its long-term value. The armrests are wide and comfortable, giving you a relaxed seating position. If you camp year-round or enjoy cold weather adventures, this heated chair adds a level of comfort that's hard to beat outdoors.
Director Outdoor Camp Chair. The Director Outdoor Camp Chair offers a practical design that feels familiar yet dependable. I like how upright it keeps me, making it great for eating, working, or watching events. The solid frame feels sturdy and balanced, providing confidence on different surfaces. The seat fabric is durable and supportive without being overly stiff. One feature I enjoy is the flat armrest surface, which works perfectly for snacks or small items. It folds easily and stands on its own, which makes setup and storage simple. The chair doesn't feel bulky, yet it offers plenty of room to sit comfortably. It's also easy to clean after outdoor use. Whether I'm camping or attending an outdoor event, this chair feels reliable and functional. If you want structure, stability, and everyday comfort, this Director-style chair is a great choice. XL Heavy-Duty Camp Chair. The XL Heavy-Duty Camp Chair is built for comfort seekers who want extra space and strength. I immediately noticed the wider seat that allows me to sit naturally without feeling restricted. The reinforced steel frame feels incredibly durable and supportive, even during long sessions. The thick padding adds comfort without trapping heat, which is a nice balance. I like how stable it feels on different terrains, from grass to gravel. The armrests are padded and positioned well for relaxed lounging. Folding it down is straightforward, and the included carry bag makes transport manageable despite its size. This chair is ideal for camping, tailgating, or backyard use. If you're looking for a tough, spacious chair that prioritizes comfort and reliability, this heavy-duty option definitely earns its place outdoors. Oversized Comfort Camp Chair. The Oversized Comfort Camp Chair is all about relaxation without limits. I love the extra-wide seating area that gives me plenty of room to stretch out and unwind. The padded back and seat provide excellent support, making it comfortable for long hours outdoors. Its sturdy frame feels solid and dependable even when shifting positions. The breathable fabric helps keep things cool during warm weather. I also appreciate the deep armrests that naturally support my arms while relaxing. It folds easily and fits into its storage bag without struggle. Despite its larger size, it's surprisingly easy to carry. Whether I'm camping, watching a game, or relaxing by a fire, this chair delivers comfort without compromise. If space and comfort matter most to you, this oversized chair is a fantastic addition to any outdoor setup. Twin XL Heavy Camp Chair. The Twin XL Heavy Camp Chair stands out for its rugged build and generous seating space. I like how the reinforced frame provides solid support while still feeling balanced and secure. The wide seat allows me to sit comfortably without feeling cramped. The thick fabric feels durable and resistant to wear, making it ideal for frequent outdoor use. I also appreciate the padded armrests that add extra comfort during long sits. Setting it up is quick, and folding it down doesn't take much effort. The carry bag makes transport easier, even with its sturdy build. This chair feels perfect for camping trips, outdoor events, or extended lounging sessions. If you want a reliable chair that combines strength with comfort, the Twin XL Heavy Camp Chair delivers a dependable and relaxed seating experience outdoors. Advanced Recliner Camp Chair. The Advanced Recliner Camp Chair is perfect when I want flexibility and comfort in one chair. The adjustable reclining feature lets me sit upright or lean back depending on my mood. I like how smooth the reclining mechanism feels without sudden shifts. The padded seat and backrest provide excellent support, especially for extended use. Its strong frame keeps everything stable even when fully reclined. The breathable fabric helps maintain comfort in different conditions. I also enjoy the supportive armrests that make relaxing even easier. Folding and carrying the chair is simple, and it stores neatly when not in use. Whether I'm camping, relaxing outdoors, or enjoying a quiet moment, this chair adapts to my needs. If versatility and comfort are your priorities, this reclining camp chair is a great outdoor companion. High-Back Cooler Camp Chair. The High-Back Cooler Camp Chair combines comfort with smart convenience. I really enjoy the tall backrest that supports my shoulders and neck during long sitting sessions. The built-in cooler is a great touch, keeping drinks close without extra bags. The seat padding feels firm yet comfortable, making it easy to relax for hours. Its sturdy frame provides stability on different surfaces. I like how the armrests are positioned for natural comfort and easy access to the cooler. The fabric is durable and easy to clean after outdoor use. Folding the chair is quick, and the carry bag helps with transport. This chair is perfect for camping, beach days, or outdoor events. If you want comfort, support, and cold drinks within reach, this high-back cooler chair is a solid choice. Slsy Rocker Max Chair. The Slsy Rocker Max Chair adds a relaxing twist to outdoor seating with its smooth rocking motion. I love how the gentle rocking helps me unwind after a long day. The padded seat and backrest feel supportive without being too soft. Its sturdy frame keeps the rocking motion controlled and stable. The fabric feels breathable and comfortable in various weather conditions. I also appreciate the wide armrests that enhance relaxation. Setting it up is simple and it folds down easily for storage. Despite being a rocker, it's surprisingly easy to transport. Whether I'm camping, relaxing on the patio, or enjoying nature, this chair delivers a calming experience. If you enjoy movement and comfort combined, the Slsy Rocker Max Chair offers a unique and soothing way to relax outdoors. Hammock Swing Camp Chair.
The Hammock Swing Camp Chair offers a fun and relaxing alternative to traditional camp chairs. I love how the suspended design gently cradles my body, creating a laid-back seating experience. The fabric feels soft yet supportive, making it comfortable for extended lounging. Its strong frame provides reliable stability while allowing smooth swinging motion. I also appreciate how lightweight and portable it feels compared to bulkier chairs. Setting it up is quick and it folds down neatly for transport. The armrests and head support enhance comfort without limiting movement. Whether I'm camping, relaxing outdoors, or just enjoying fresh air, this chair adds a playful vibe. If you want something different that still delivers comfort and support, the Hammock Swing Camp Chair is a refreshing and enjoyable option for outdoor relaxation. Alpha Camp Cooler Chair. The Alpha Camp Cooler Chair is a practical choice when comfort and convenience matter most. I like the thick padding that supports my back and seat during long outdoor sessions. The built-in cooler keeps drinks cold and within easy reach, which is perfect for warm days. Its heavy-duty frame feels stable and dependable on different surfaces. The wide seat provides enough space to sit comfortably without feeling cramped. I also appreciate the sturdy armrests that help me relax naturally. Folding the chair is simple, and the carry bag makes transport easier. The fabric feels durable and easy to clean after use. Whether I'm camping, tailgating, or spending time outdoors, this chair keeps comfort and refreshments close, making it a reliable and enjoyable outdoor seating option.
That brings us to the end of today's guide on the top 13 best camping chair for adults. I hope this video helped you find the perfect balance between comfort, durability, and portability for your outdoor adventures. Whether you prefer heated seats, recliners, rockers, or cooler chairs, there's something here for everyone. Remember to check the links in the description for updated prices and special offers. If you enjoyed this review, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Gadget Reviews for more honest product guides. Thanks for watching, stay safe outdoors, and I'll see you in the next video.